My name is Andrew Hauser, President of Boyd Brothers Transportation. Truckworx Fleet Solutions for us is a way to make sure that we maximize uptime of our fleet. We minimize the guesswork. So before, just honestly, we weren't good at parts. And especially in today's day and age where parts, certain ones are scarce, hard to get, we're still coming out of the COVID supply chain bottleneck. Their fleet solutions to us is saving us time. Does it save us money? Not really on the price that you're paying, but the fact that I don't have to manage inventory and guesswork, and that part's been on the shelf for 2 years and never been touched and it's got dust on it. But make sure that we're turning our inventory and we're paying for what we need and not guessing.
Through Truckworx Fleet Solutions, we've really strengthened our relationship with Boyd Brothers over time. When you go into the relationship and start out working with someone in our Fleet Solutions program, we're really trying to make a big impact up front on their financials and the way their shop is ran, and really show them that it's a good partnership in this relationship. But over time, as we get to know them and our employees are in their shop and getting to know their employees, we really learn how their business runs and they learn how our business runs to optimize each other's efficiency through the process.
We have a permanent staff that's here clocking in every morning, just like our mechanics did when they were on my payroll. And so it's really seamless for us. We're fully staffed all the time, our normal shop hours that we had before we worked with Fleet Solutions. The difference is that if we get slammed, we've got the relief valve. The dealership's here in town, they can call over, they can send a couple of mobile techs, or if we know that we're gonna have more trucks in the shop, they can send reinforcements. The advantage that the Truckworx Fleet Solutions has given Boyd Brothers is unbelievable. There's no comparison in the shop as far as the professionalism, the proficiency, the uptime, the cost reductions. It's made us a better company because of our partnership.